Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning in to this episode. I'm going to be sharing with you 13 projects to get your home ready for summer. Now, the first one is power wash driveways and sidewalks. Many times you can actually rent a power washer from your local hardware store and especially get the round attachment, which tends to go over the concrete and gets a lot of the dirt up, and you'll see a huge difference, okay? Second one is clean out gutters and downspouts, especially if you have trees, right? The leaves get stuck in their dirt. Roof shingles tend to like shed little I don't know, material type deal, and it gets stuck in the gutters. So have your gutters and downspouts, right? The gutters that come down to your lawn, have those cleaned out. It's supposed to be every spring and fall, especially if you have big trees. Third one is wash your windows and replace window screens. Are your window screens worn out or even torn? Have them replaced. In my area, I know I can take a screen out and bring it to the local hardware store, and they'll put a new screen in and just save the frame if the frame is good. Number 4 is prevent bug breeding grounds. Since warmer weather calls for more time outside, you want to maintain a yard that's not, swarming with bugs, mosquitoes, insects, things like that. So a quick spritz of your outdoor bug spray around the perimeter of your home will definitely help keep those bugs away. Number 5 is beautify your yard. So make your yard look fresh, from grass to the trees to bushes. Remove all dead parts from trees, plants, do some weeding. Laying mulch will keep weeds away, usually, at least for the most part, right? You might have to still spray some and keep them away. Number 6 is prep your grill for backyard barbecues. Clean out your grill, take out the bottom tray, spray that off, scrape it off, whatever. Empty the grease trap. Okay, clean out your grill, your outdoor grill, so that you can have barbecues without issues. Number 7 is stage outdoor furniture. You want to stage your outdoor furniture, ditch the old rusty hand-me-down chairs. I know we're in the process of doing this. Or rather, they weren't hand-me-down chairs that we got, but they're just starting to get worn out. So we're buying new patio furniture, which the hot thing right now is actually patio couches, outdoor couches that are wicker or rattan, which I think is the same thing. I don't know. So some indoor home maintenance in the latter part of this section is number 8. Examine indoor hoses. So look at hoses that go to your washing machine, your dishwasher, any hose like dehumidifier, ice maker, toilets. Check these hoses to make sure that there's no wear and tear or leaks or even cracking in the hoses. And that's very cheap to get a new hose and change that out, and anyone could do that. The experts say that every 3 to 5 years you should be looking at these things or even replace them. But regularly check those hoses, okay? Number 9, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This should be done probably every 6 months. If you have daylight savings time in your state, make sure that you check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on those dates, right? That's a good thing. Hey, put it in your calendar. I'm gonna check these things out. Number 10, clean the garbage disposal and dishwasher. So it's not a warm weather chore. However, it's important to clean it out. So you could think summertime, okay, I'm going to check these things out, especially if you're hosting more, right? You're in your home, you're hosting more, you're using more utilities in your home. Your bathroom is being used more by guests. You're using the garbage disposal more because you're getting rid of food. You're scraping off plates that guests use. So make sure that you are, and by the way, using hot water and some dish soap to clean out your garbage disposal. Don't throw oranges down there. There was this thing, by the way, a side note, where people were saying, just throw a lemon or a orange in your garbage disposal, and it will grind it up and make it smell good. It will smell good, but there's the acidic property of orange, especially oranges, can actually damage the blades. So don't do that. Number 11, reverse your ceiling fan. So there's a way to reverse your ceiling fans. It's usually a little switch on the base of the fan near the light, which, pushes the air straight down. So that's a good thing to do in the summertime as heat rises. Push it down so that it helps circulate the room better. and then change it in the wintertime, fall time actually, let's say fall time. Number 12, perform washing machine maintenance. So your washing machine is one of those appliances that needs some light maintenance every now and then. So when your washer's not in use, inspect the seal between the door opening and the drum for areas of soil buildup or stains. Nasty. So check and perform washing machine maintenance. Excuse me. Washing machine maintenance should be done. And the last one is wipe down and clean baseboards. Dust can accumulate and all kinds of grime can accumulate on baseboards. Okay, it's just the way it is. So you can take a wet cloth and just wipe down your baseboards, right? The molding on the floor, on the wall, near the floor, okay? Deep clean your home, keep that dust and dirt out. I hope you found these 13 tips valuable on how you can get your home summer ready. Yes, some of these aren't really tied to summer, but it's a good way to think, okay, I'm gonna do this every summer and make sure that I stay on top of it. So did I miss something? Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.